This piece here is a matching piece to one I did, one of my very early on videos. It was a tall dresser that I painted in like a beige color and restained it. I will not be doing that to this piece today. I'll be cleaning it, removing the hardware. I don't know what they used. You have to come this way. What? I have no idea what that is, but it's not. I could be wrong, but that's not glue. That's a good thing about cleaning, is you get to know your piece a little more intimately and what needs fixing. So the drawer bottoms on all three drawers are sagging, and they've just used whatever that grey stuff is to hold it all together. So I'm going to have to remove all of that. Alright, so I have my orbital sander, which these are probably not going to be long enough, so I don't even, I should have got the other one. Anyway, rubber mallet, hammer, chisel, putty thing. I've got my star bond and accelerator because I would like to get this done. I don't have time for tight bond to dry, so I'm going to use my accelerator. I think it's on the two drawers, the bottom and the middle drawer, this grey stuff, but the top drawer, the drawer is sagging out the bottom of it as well, so I'm going to have to take that apart, re-glue it and clamp it. I'm going to get the other clamps now so I don't have to get back up later. Okay. I also got my Bondo while I'm at it. May as well fix all the missing veneer. Because like I said, or did I say? I don't know. Maybe I didn't. I'm just going to be painting this whole dresser. I am not restoring any of the wood back. Okay. Like I said before, I was rudely interrupted by my flat battery. The top drawer, actually, there's minimal veneer, like it's really, really tiny. I think I'm going to sand that back and keep that wood, but the other two drawers definitely getting painted, and so is the body of it. The body is nicks and scratches. Not as bad as my retro dresser. Right, let's begin. I grew up in Australia watching my dad build and restore and create things, and the passion that lives in him lives in me too. So I decided to start this channel after some encouragement from my husband. My name is Sarah, this is 445 Designs, and if you are new, I am so glad that you have clicked on this channel. If you are returning, guys, I'm so thankful for you. Thank you for showing up week after week. I just love you to pieces. This channel is all about loving old furniture back to life again. Like I said, have a passion for restoring things, and this is just my vlog, my journal of that journey. And I'm so thankful that you guys are here. Everywhere. I mean everywhere. It's not even glue. It's like cement. I bet that's what it is. Is that a thing over here in America? Rubber cement? I have pieces drying all around me. I'm gonna hop over here because this piece doesn't come out until October. I just wanted to pop in and say a massive thank you to Denise. I am blown away by your generosity. Thank you so much for buying me 10 coffees. Oh my goodness, thank you. And also there was somebody, they left their name off of it, but you know who you are and I know who you are, and I will not spill the beans, but I just wanted to say thank you so much. You also have blown me away with your kindness and your generosity, buying me 5 coffees. Guys, I'm just so thankful and so grateful. Time and time again, I get messages and responses and comments about how much I have blessed you, and that blows me away. It blows my mind. I can't even begin to express to you. The feeling is totally mutual, and maybe even 10 times so. This channel, it's been a bridge, right, for me, from my own little world, flipping furniture and doing something that I love, to connecting with you guys, with people who have the same enjoyment and passion and love watching these types of things. And I love that connection, and I'm so thankful for it, and I'm so thankful for you. And so anyway, I started out wanting to thank Denise and that beautiful person who I'm not going to mention for doing that for me, but I also want to extend that to all of you. You all blow me away. This 445 Designs community is just a blessing to me, and I hope I can continue to make you guys proud. All right, I love you. Let's get back to the flip. May as well fix it all. Okay, here we go. Okay, I have cleaned it, repaired it, left it out to dry. It doesn't have any smells. It's all ready to go. So the colors that I've picked is going to be Caviar. Then we're also going to use Terracotta and Antebellum Blue. Okay, so I was going to try, you see down here and back there, I was going to try some blending, but I'm just not feeling any of it. I think a couple of things. One, this retro water style type of furniture is, for me, difficult to be creative on. Whereas I think I gravitate more towards the antique pieces. So I'm finding it really hard to come up with a creative idea. Not that anyone was pressuring me to do that. It was pressure I was putting on myself. I've decided I'm not going to do any of the creative things that I was going to try to do down here. I'm just going to do one solid colour in the Antebellum Blue, and I may do some dark wax actually. I really like this Antebellum Blue colour. It's such a pretty dark teal blue. And I think it's strong enough that it can stand on its own. I'm going to go over all the places that I experimented with. But not too much. I'm going to still let some of the, because I painted it black first, so I'm going to let some of the undercolor of that black peek through, which I think will complement the wax. Alright, I'm going to let that dry. I'm using Minwax Dark Walnut. I've decided to go dark. I think it's going to look nice against the green, and then I'm going to put antique wax on that anyway as well. So, and I already tested it there and I liked it, so. Alright. Why am I bright red? Okay. Whatever. Loving the colour, love the stain. Now we're going to seal it all in with Minwax polyacrylic in matte. Everything's listed in the description below. Everything that I use in this makeover, but also products that I just recommend. And it's an affiliates link, Amazon affiliates link. Okay, so dipping it in little bits, and I'm just getting it on there, and then I'm gonna go one big long stroke. Oh, for Pete's sake. Tammy! Tom!
You didn't go that far.
Gotta stop wandering off, Tammy.
The one with the gonna be the last person alive because of his blood type or something.
Spoilers.
Hey,
Dad.
I don't think
Or
so.
something I said. I don't know what it is. I forget.
That was pretty gory. If I remember.
It's the one with the zombies, Sarah.
Yeah.
Long.
Try to give it.
You say hi. What's wrong? Do you need to go out? You say hi? Look over here. Look here. You say hi. This guy had a rough start. I had a rough start with this guy, but it's ended up really lovely. I love this color. I think it's quite regal. It all ties in together really nicely. The color, the wood, the orange handles. On the color wheel, I checked it. I am not a color artist, but I checked color wheel at Cristona over on Bella Renovare, and she was talking about the color wheel and how colors complement each other. So I checked the wheel, and what is opposite to orange, because there's orange in the handles and I can't change the handles, is teal, like a teal blue green. Teal blue green. And just to, I couldn't cover this up. It was in really good shape, and you know how I feel about wood. It's so beautiful, and I wanted to give it a warm color because the orange is a warmer color. So it's been stained in walnut. I have said in the past that the waterfall retro style is not a style that I gravitate towards. I really struggled with this one in the beginning. I just couldn't get my head around it. I will not be buying, because I think I bought 3 of these dresses like really early on in the year, and I don't think I'll be buying more. I'll leave this style to those that are more suited to it, I think. But I have enjoyed this one eventually. Now that we got our act together, I think it looks really lovely. Guys, thank you for sticking with me. I hope you enjoy the afters of this piece, and I will see you on next week's piece. Bye guys.